the project to reduce single-use products and protect the environment. Introducing EcoHabit's ICT-Based Reusable Cup Circulation Solution, designed to replace disposable cups with reusable ones to safeguard the environment. Reusable cups follow a circular path, moving from cafes to customer, return kiosks, to professional washing stations, and then back to cafes. Cafes pay a deposit and a cup usage fee to use the delivery and cleaning system. Customers pay for their beverages and a deposit, then drink from reusable cups. When they return the cups through ICT return kiosks, they get their deposit back. The returned cups are collected and transported to a professional washing station, where they undergo a 7-step sanitation process before being returned to cafes. This is EcoHabit's unique circular solution. EcoHabit conducts a 7-step safety sanitation process to ensure hygienic and transparent reusable cup management. Step 1. Visual inspection of reusable cups when they arrive at the washing station. Step 2. Ultrasonic cleaning to remove foreign substances. Step 3. Initial washing to remove visible debris. Step 4. Automatic washing with high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. Step 5. UV and hot air drying to sterilize and dry the reusable cups. Step 6. AI-based inspection to select only quality cups after washing. Step 7. Final inspection for ATP levels and residual detergent. The cleaned reusable cups are then delivered to partner cafes and stores. Businesses or individuals who want to participate in the reusable cup circular solution to protect the environment can join the ICT-Based service for seamless support. By changing the habit of using single-use disposable items to reusable cups and containers, we can reduce carbon emissions and protect the environment. The company that cares for people and nature, EcoHabit.